Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy at your homes. Okay, children, today we are going to begin with our chapter 10 of GK, and the name of the chapter is The Lost Cities of the World. Now, earlier these cities existed, but now these cities no longer exist. So, let us read and get knowledge about the lost cities of the world. First of all, this is the picture that is given in your book. Now let us read about it. It was once the largest city in the world and more than 1 million people lived there. So at one time, this city was the largest city of the world and more than 1 million people lived there. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So that was the population of that city, and at present it is located in Cambodia. This city has an area of more than 78 square kilometers. So this was the area of that city, and it was surrounded by a water-filled moat. Children, moat is a deep, broad ditch which surrounds a castle. एक महल के आसपास जैसे एक गहरी खाई खोद दी हो और उसमें अगर पानी भर दिया जाए, that is known as a moat. And the city was also surrounded by a water-filled moat. And French naturalist Henry Mohot was the first Westerner to discover the city in 1861. So the French naturalist Henry Mohot, he was the first one to discover the city in 1861, and the name of the city is Angkor Wat. Children, please write it down in your books. Now moving ahead to the second picture. This is the second picture that is given in your book. Inca was a group of South American Indians. So Inca refers to a community, and it was fortified Inca city on the top of a mountain. Fortified means बच्चे जिसको आप हिंदी में बोलते हो किलाबंद, which is provided with the defensive works as protection against attack. मतलब ऐसी जगह जो कि अटैक के लिए हमेशा रहती थी तैयार, और उसको किलेबंदी की जाती थी, किलाबंदी की होती थी कि अगर कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़े तो ऑन द स्पॉट अटैक के लिए वो ऑलवेज रेडी रहते थे. सो इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन द प्रेजेंट डे इन पेरू. So at present this city is located in Peru, and it was unknown to the outside world before being brought to international attention in 1911 by an American historian, Hiram Bingham. So in 1911, the American historian Hiram Bingham, he brought it into international attention in 1911, and after that, people they came to know about this city. And the name of the city is Machu Picchu. Kindly write it in your books. Now moving ahead to the third picture. This is the third picture. This city was completely buried by volcanic ash when Mount Vesuvius erupted in AD 79. So in the volcanic ash of Mount Vesuvius, when it erupted in 79 AD, this city got buried. ये city जब Mount Vesuvius erupt हुआ था 79 AD में, तो उसकी volcanic ash में ये city जो थी वो दब गई थी. It's excavation means digging, उसको खुदाई जिसको आप कहते हो, started in 1748, and since then many treasures have been discovered. तो 1748 में इसकी digging start हुई थी, और तब से लेकर आज तक बहुत कई तरह के treasures means खजाना, and in English its meaning is quantity of precious metals and gems. So many treasures have been discovered which include beautifully preserved murals. Murals are the paintings or the other artwork which is executed directly on the wall. और वॉल पेंटिंग्स, एंड टुडे इट हैज़ बिकम द यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट। और आज मतलब ये इतनी फेमस सिटी है कि ये यूनेस्को की वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट बन गई है एंड इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शंस ऑफ इटली। और इटली की मोस्ट पॉपुलर टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है एंड मोर देन 25 लाख विजिटर्स visit the site every year. 25 lakhs visitors visit this place. Now let us read this why facts. Why? The Mayan developed the world's greatest civilization. So let us read about it. The Mayan people developed the world's greatest civilization between AD 250 and AD 900. They developed cities which contained palaces, temples, plazas, and ball courts. Children, plazas are the marketplaces and ball courts are the large structures used for playing ball game. तो मयान पीपल ने डेवलप करी थी वर्ल्ड की ग्रेटेस्ट सिविलाइजेशन बिटवीन 250 AD and 900 AD. Now moving on to the next page. This is of the same chapter. Now look at this picture number 4. This is your fourth picture. It is an archaeological site situated in the province of Sindh, Pakistan. Children, archaeological means it studies about the history or prehistory through the excavation of sites. जो archaeologists होते हैं ना वो human history को या prehistory को study करते हैं through digging. और ये एक आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट है जिसको कि आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने जहाँ पर डिगिंग स्टार्ट करी थी एंड इट इज़ सिचुएटेड इन द प्रोविंस मीन्स टेरिटरी और रीजन ऑफ सिंध इन पाकिस्तान. इट वाज वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स अर्लीस्ट मेजर सेटलमेंट्स. और ये दुनिया की मतलब अर्लीस्ट मेजर सेटलमेंट्स मतलब जब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ने एक जगह पर सेटल होना शुरू किया था ना. अर्लियर तो दे वर always moving in tribes, है ना. तो but when they started settling at one place, so it was one of the earliest major settlements and it was built in 2600 BC and abandoned around 1800 BC. Abandoned means left. So it was built in 2600 BC and it was left in 1800 BC. It was discovered in 1922 by Rakhaldas Banerjee and the name of this city is Mohenjo-daro. Right? Now moving on to the next city, the fifth one. This city was once thought to have existed only in legends. But this site was discovered in the 1870s. It is located in present day Turkey. पहले ये ऐसे माना जाता था कि ये जो सिटी है ये सिर्फ कहानियों में ही है, but it was discovered in 1870s and it is located in Turkey in present day. It is best known for being the setting of the Trojan War, which has been described in the Greek epic Iliad by Homer. और काफ़ी ये famous है as the setting of Trojan War, which is described in the Greek epic Iliad written by Homer. Now coming to the last picture, and the name of the city, you can read it only, it is Troy. Now coming to the last picture, this is the last picture that is given in your book. Now let us read about it. Once it was one of the greatest sites in the world, but it was abandoned in the 4th century BC. So at one point of time, it was the greatest cities in the world, but it was abandoned in the 4th century BC. And it's magnificent. Magnificent means extremely beautiful. Royal tombs and other sites were excavated by archaeologists between 1922 to 1934 and it is located in Iraq. So the name of this city is Ur, U-R, Ur. Now let us find facts. Which canal connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean? And the name of that canal is Panama Canal. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video. Take care. God bless you all.